guys, your girl Krista Renee. It's Sunday evening now. I forgot to record my beginning of the video for today. So here it is here. And I wanted to tell you guys, you got to watch to the end because I have a little bit of a surprise back there. But I hope you enjoy the vlog. If you're first time here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.
Orlando at the Kia Center April 25th, featuring Neo.
This is your boy Neo.
And Mario.
What up, this is your boy Mario.
For the For My Fans Tour. To win your free tickets, listen for the app keyword and insert that keyword into your Star 94.5 app. The opportunity to win tickets to see R&B icon Mary J. Blige, featuring Neo and Mario. For the For My Fans Tour. More details at star945.com.
Only on Star 94.5.
Orlando's only R&B.
What up, y'all? It's your man Mike Gibbs. The biggest comedy show in the country is back. We the Ones Tour, hosted by me.
If Heineken Silver was a 60-second radio ad, it would tell you all the stuff you need to know in only 30 seconds to keep things light and fresh. Seriously, son.
I see the ocean. That cold. This is the lights. Look at that. Seems like everybody had my idea. I don't know why. I don't know why I thought coming out here at this time of the day and this time of the year wouldn't be anybody be out here because the water is still cold. But yeah, it's a lot of people out here. It's that Florida sunshine. All right, you guys, we're gonna check out this water. Let's see how cold it is. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. This feels like a cold shower. Yeah. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. With the vitamin E. Woo, wait. Alright, you guys, so the water is chilly. But it feels good. Should have wore a bathing suit, but I think it would be just a little bit too cold for that. but I look like I'm ready to work out. I just had a young girl walk up to me and ask me, was I boogie boarding? No, ma'am. It's not a wetsuit. Ooh-wee. This water, I love it. I love the beach. Especially Cocoa Beach. All right, you guys, so just sitting here on the beach, just relaxing a little bit. I know I was incognito last week because my flip phone finally went kaput and I couldn't use it anymore. So I loved my flip phone. I had it for about 4 years, and it was a great phone. I love the fact that you can just flip it or close it just like that, and then you hang up on people, and it fits, and it fits right in your pocket. You know, so I am going to miss that. With my new phone, I did just go ahead and just get a regular Galaxy 25. Um, the camera, I'm loving the camera. Look at the view, you guys. This phone actually has 3 cameras on it. And all of my friends were telling me I should get the iPhone. And really and truly, I do have an iPhone. I want to say I have the iPhone 15, but I don't use it. I don't really care for iPhone. They call it the smartphone, but I don't really feel like it's that smart. And I hate that every time you want to do something with the Apple, the iPhone, you gotta sign in and put a credit card on it. I don't like that, you know. So I'm an Android chick all day, you know. So yeah. But this is nice. The weather's nice. Sitting here listening to the waves. This is so nice. All right, you guys. I'm gonna come back on in a little while. All right, ciao. Quick pit stop at the ice cream hut. They got Krispy Kreme donut sundaes. What you think, babe?
Hello, how are you guys?
Good, how are you? What you think? Ooh, I think I want... They got a white chocolate raspberry. My 2 favorite things, strawberry ice cream and a lemon ice cream cone. Look at that one, you guys. So they actually take a Krispy Kreme glazed donut, and then they throw all the ice cream and the toppings and stuff on top of that. That's pretty impressive. All right, you guys, so springtime, getting ready for summer. As you can see, I went to the beach today, so I've been trying out some different swimsuit styles for my body type. So I love this one here. I got it from Timo. I love the navy blue. I love it's got the halter top. But look at this panel, you guys, here through the middle. It's got the X panel through the middle. Full coverage bodysuit. So I'm not gonna just do the whole thing, you know, but what you guys think? I think it's a good fit. I like it. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments, and I'm gonna put on number 2. All right, ciao. Okay, guys, so got another one-piece floral. I forgot to mention that the first swimsuit is fully lined, so this one's fully lined also. But love the floral print. Got the halter top, but again, it snatches, very form-fitting. And then this one actually has the sarong, the cover-up. Look at this one. What you guys think of this one? Cute, cute. I like this one. And I do have a bikini kind of one. So I'm gonna show you guys that one in a picture. All right, you guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Which ones do you like the best? All right, ciao. Last swimsuit is the bikini. I like that swimsuit, but boy, it feels risque. I don't know where I'm going to wear that one and who, when. But I love the chain detail. I do love the bikini style. And boy, I saw all kinds of bikinis and bathing suits today at the beach. So, I don't know. I guess I'm just too modest. So, what you guys think of that one? I think it's super cute. I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but what you guys think? All right, ciao. Hey, you guys. It was so much fun today at the beach. It was a nice Sunday beach day. I can't wait for the water to get a little bit warmer so I can spend some more time at the different beaches. So we went to Cocoa today. We got to go to Daytona. We got to go to Flagler. We're going to go to Clearwater. So it's a lot of beaches we got to check out this summer. But anyways, I got to get ready for work tomorrow. I've been trying to straighten up my room a little bit. But I want you guys to see the progress I'm making in my closet. All right. Making some progress on my closet. I got a ton of clothes in my room that I have to either go through, or I need to purge. But yeah, my closet is coming together.